What's up, guys? This is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology Zone. This is tutorial 117, and today's topic will be how to summarize multiple documents using LangChain. I believe in the past I have shown you guys how to summarize a single document, and while doing that, I never actually came across to this situation that I have to create this video again. But never mind. Basically, last week I received one request, and there one of my channel members. Um, he was actually asking that I have multiple documents and how to how to create a summary out of it. Okay, then I thought of giving him like using for loop and all, but the request is very interesting. He's saying that we need to summarize all the document at the same point of time, and we need to get the summary based on the three documents. So then actually I started doing some research and I came across to this thing. So this is going to be a very important tutorial, though from the name it is very simple, but it is very important tutorial based on this thing. Like nowadays the AI news agencies, AI news channels are actually creating news report. For example, they have developed some sort of news aggregator. Those aggregators are getting the news from multiple sources. Maybe same event for same event, they're getting news from multiple sources, and when they're going to generate the AI driven content or the content generated by AI, what they will do, they will take all the content, all the sources, I mean all information from all the sources, and after that they will do a summarization, and then they will create the AI generated content. So this is just an example, but the application could be on a higher magnitude, right? So let's not discuss all those things. Let's come back to the tutorial, and hopefully you guys will enjoy this thing. Okay, so let me open my VS Code. Okay, let's start the tutorial. So first of all, I have three news articles are there. Exactly, I'm trying to mimic that thing, and then we have to generate a summary from this thing. Okay, so first thing first, import yo read this file, and then we'll do from LangChain, okay, underscore core, okay, dot documents, okay, then import document, right? Okay, now let's see. Okay, so there we'll be going to pass, but before that let's try to do something. Okay, so for let's do this thing. Okay, so I'm just thinking how to do it. Let's okay, import OS, okay, and then glove. Okay. So first cwd equals to os dot cwd. Okay, so this is going to give me my current working directory. Then I'll be going to find for all the text file. Okay, for that, so it will be glob. Okay, then it will be cwd, then plus, then something like this, then dot txt, but it would be star dot txt, right? And then let's try to print. So this should give me a list of all my files. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so what it is saying, okay, so I think slash, and then okay, I think it will be something like this. Let's see. Okay, It will be star. I did a mistake actually. So all three files are coming. Cool. So now what we'll do, we'll be going to read this file one by one, right? So for file in files, okay, with io.open, okay, and then it will be file, then it will be read mode, then then encoding equals to UTA-8, right? Sorry, as f1, right? Then data equals to f1 dot read, right? And once this is done, then what will happen? Uh, I'm just thinking how to actually do it. So let's read this thing one by one. Okay. So then maybe f1 dot close. Okay. And then what will happen will be good. Sorry. Then print data, right? So let's do this thing. Hopefully, all three news articles are all three news article came actually. Okay. Okay. So now what we'll do, we'll be going to create, let's say, multiple documents. Okay. So I'm just thinking how to do it. Just give me a moment. Mm, So basically, it will be a list, and within the list, multiple document will be there. So first of all, so let's create a list called uh, document, right? And there I'll be just going to write page content. Page content will be data, right? And there should be something called metadata. Metadata, right? So my metadata will be title, title, and what could be the title of this thing? Okay, so maybe I'll just going to give this name of this thing. So maybe file dot. So this is my file name. This is my file name. If I split the file with single slash, so file dot split. Okay, so file dot split something like this, and then minus one, the last one. Okay, okay, it is coming. Then what will happen? So okay, I did a mistake actually. So it should be actually it's a blank list. Okay, and then what will happen? Documents dot append equals to uh, what I gonna do? I'm just thinking this one, right? Cut. Okay. Yes. Okay. I think this is clear to everyone what I'm doing now, and after that, what I'll do, I'm just going to document. Okay. So let's see what is going to happen now. Hopefully, everything is fine. Yeah. If you see here, uh, so this is news.txt, then title this thing. There should be another title. Yeah. Everything is fine. My document is now generated. Now what will happen? Now next part. Now the LangChain part. The most fun part is will begin now. Right. So let's see what I can do here. Should be from LangChain. Okay. LangChain dot chains. Right. LangChain dot chains dot bind documents. Right. Uh, then import This is the important thing. Create stuff document, right? Okay, and there should be one prompt template. So from LangChain, right? LangChain uh, dot underscore core underscore core. Okay, LangChain underscore core dot prompts. I think okay prompts, and what will have import that prompt template, right? So everything is ready here. Now what will happen? What we'll do? We're just going to create a variable called prompt. Okay. What will be there in the prompt? That prompt template. From template, right? From template. And inside there, I will just write summarize uh, the summarize this content. And here, in there, I'll be just going to write content. Okay, so this is my variable, right? And now what will happen? We're going to set up a chain here with the help of this variable. So create stuff document chain, right? Then we'll just write LLM, right? And then we'll be just going to write prompt. Okay, this prompt is ready. Now the most important part, I didn't create any LLM object. So from LangChain OpenAI import chat OpenAI and then LLM. Okay, LLM equals to chat OpenAI, and inside that I'll just going to write model equals to GPT 4. Fine, everything is fine. And then what we'll do, we'll be just going to write response. So in dot invoke, right? So chain dot invoke is fine. So with the help of chain dot invoke, we can actually let me check with the chain invoke what will be going to do. It should be content. Okay, and this content will be what? This content will be documents. If you remember this documents, okay, okay, and then print response. Okay, okay. I believe everything is fine. So only thing what I do, I'll just going to comment out this line because it is going to create unnecessary like messy. It will be messy here, right? So let's see. I'll be just going to run it here. Okay, okay, okay. So let's start. Okay. Okay. Prompt must accept the context as an input variable. Just hold on. Mm, I hold on. Content and just hold on. Why this is saying like this? I said uh, I have written where it is content. Okay. So this content is here and content content, and here chain dot invoke I have written dot invoke is here. So prompt must accept context as input variable. Receive prompt as input variable. Prompt must accept. Okay, I understood now. Okay, C O N T X T context, and here okay context maybe. Okay. So basically we have to declare the variable with context. Okay. If you see now I got the summarization. Qualcomm Tech has unveiled a groundbreaking processor which promises like this. Meanwhile, scientists renewable energy, and there is something like this. All these three things. I think something traffic delay. This one, second one is renewable energy, and this thing. All these three things are actually coming. So summarize SU. Okay, content with 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 little uh, bullet. Okay, I don't know whether they will understand the context or not, but let's see. Okay, yeah, yeah. See, this is nice, right? Yeah, I'm amazed by the. I'm actually amazed by the capability of this module within LangChain. This is superb. Like you can achieve so many different things. Suppose you are a college student, or maybe you are a school student, and if you want to do some project work, and there probably you need to do a lot of formatting. So you just give the URL. LangChain will scrape that URL, get the content, format this thing, whatever is your requirement. Okay, so I am super excited. So that's it. I believe the guy who actually asked for this tutorial, I think his name is Kumar. So Kumar, so this is for you. You asked me to give a shout out to you, so I'm just giving shout out to you. So hopefully you will like it. And similarly, if you guys are having any problem, any project to work, or if you want me to help, please let me know. I'll try to do it. Okay. Okay, so let's conclude the video over here. But before I conclude, I would like to ask a couple of requests. This things are my personal requests. So if you are enjoying this video and haven't subscribed to my channel, please try to subscribe to my channel, because if you see here, I'm uploading regular videos and my channel is not growing in that speed. So I am looking for some sort of response from all of you guys. Please try to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share my videos with your family and friend, and uh, try to promote. Like, I'm not saying some monetary promotion. Whenever you find if someone is actually relevant or fit for this tutorial, please try to share that videos, and hopefully that will help me to grow my audience base. Okay, so this is the little ask. Please help me grow, and I'm promising that I'll always come back with nice and quality content. Okay, so that's it for today. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, have a nice day, and happy learning.